platelet rich plasma. That's called PRP. And we use this for female pattern baldness as well as the other alopecias also. So here we'll be collecting the blood of the client, about 15 to 20 ml. We'll process it and we'll extract serum from that, and we'll add few ingredients to it which will activate the platelets to produce growth factor, which helps in growing the hair, strengthening the roots of the hair, and prevents hair fall. And promotes hair growth also. This is a simple procedure where the patient doesn't feel any pain at all, and she'll see the result within 2 months of the procedure. Actually, it requires 6 sittings. At the interval of between each interval, there must be a gap of about 15 days. So after 4 sittings, the client will notice the hair growth and thickening of the hair and the lessening of the hair fall. बोल